Hello again. Last time I began to talk about idea of God, trying to view it in a non-religious way. And I have suggested that we can understand something about the nature of God by paying attention to the creation. And if we find something which is could be observed on every step of the creation, those qualities will belong to God as well. So, what kind of qualities we can trace in the creation? If we will look at the creation, we will see that across the board there are feminine and masculine nature. It exists in humans, in animals. There are feminine and masculine aspects in plants, and in a mineral world it will be polarity, positive and negative polarity. And if there is feminine and masculine nature everywhere in the creation, that means that God would also have feminine and masculine nature. Think about it.